Change list item value. In Python, you can change the value of an item in a list by using its index number. Here is an example. Here we have a color list and it contains three colors: red, blue and green. Now we change the first index item value, means blue color, to another color. For that, take color list variable name, in square bracket, provide index number as an 1 and assign a new color value, means purple. After run this program, you can see the first index item value is changed. Previously it was a blue color, now it is a purple color. Change list item values using slicing. You can change the specific items from the list by using slicing. Define a new list and assign that new list to the original list by using slicing. For example, here we take a color list and take as a slice of a color list. For that, provide a index number 2:4. Now we assign a new list to the original list. After run this program, you can see the new list is changed with new colors. Previously, the second and fourth index position items are 4. Now it is replaced with new color as a purple and gray. This happens because of these index position numbers. Add list items. Using the append function, we can add a new item to the list. And when we use append function, then the new item will be added at the end of the list. Here is an example. Now we add a new color into the list. For that, take color list variable name and use append function and add a new color as a purple. After run this program, you can see the new item is added at the end of the list. Add list items using insert function. The insert function allows you to add a new item to the list. And by using insert function, you can add a new item at a specified index position without removing any other items from the list. Here is an example. Here we have a color list. Now we add a new item at specific index position. For that, take color list variable name and call insert function and pass argument. First is the index number and second is the color name. For that, here we pass 1 as an index number and second is a purple color. After run this program, you can see the purple color is added at index position 1. Extend list. In Python, the extend function helps to add a new list to the current list. And when we extend a new list to the current list, the new list items are added at the end of the original list. Here is an example. Here we extend the new color list to the color list. For that, take color list variable name and call extend function and pass new color list as an input argument. After run this program, you can see the new list is created. And in this new color list, there is a purple and gray color is added at the end of the original list. Add list item values using slicing. In Python, using the list slicing, we can add a new items list to the original list. Add a new items list at the beginning. To add a new list at the beginning of the original list, set the end item index to 0. Here is an example. Here we have a 2-color list. First one is the original color list and second one is the new color list. Now we add this new color list to the original color list by using slicing. For that, take color list variable name and in square bracket, first skip start index position and add 0 as an end index position and assign new color list to the original list. After run this program, you can see the new color list items is added at the beginning of the original list. Add a new items list at the end. To add a new list at the end of the original list, set the start index count as a length of the original list and ignore the end index position count. Here is an example. Here we remove the end index position 0 and add the length of the original list. Here the length of the original list take by using length function. After run this program, you can see the new color list is added at the end of the original color list. Add new items list in the middle. To add a new list at the center of the original list, set the start and end items positions. And make sure both start and end index positions count should be the same number. Here is an example. Here we add this new color list to the color list at the first index position. For that, in the slice provide start index position count should be 1 and also end index count is 1. After running this program, the new list is added at the center of the original list. To read more about add a list item values, you can check the program lover website. Here, all these topics are explained in simple manner. In the next video, we will cover a new topic on the list. Till then, happy coding.